Hello students, we have discussed about how to find the inverse of a given matrix by using adjoint, as well as how to verify that how to find out inverse, as well as how to verify whether the inverse of a given matrix or matrix exists that we have calculated. Next one is find the inverse. We have calculated the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Now it is an inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. So find the inverse of A. A is given like this. So what is the inverse of this? We have to calculate. So first, to calculate, first we have to consider the given matrix A we have considered. After that we have to check whether the inverse exists or not. So how to check inverse is exists? We have to calculate the determinant of A. So first to calculate what is the determinant of A. Determinant of A is either I can expand along row 1, row 2, row 3, or R1, R2, R3. Now it is easy if I expand along C1 because it contains zeros. So the determinant will be 1 into 10 minus 0, 1 in 10 minus 0, then minus 0 plus 0. So this will be equal to 10. So determinant is 10. So this is not equal to 0. If the determinant is not equal to 0, then the inverse exists. Now we have to calculate it. We have to calculate cofactors. So A11 is equal to, by deleting first row and first column, 2405. 2405 is a 10 minus 0 is a 10. Then 812 is minus. That A12 is minus. So A12 is minus. By deleting this, what we get 0405. 0405. So this will be 0 itself. A13 is plus now. Plus by deleting first row and the third column, 0200. 0200. So this will be 0. Then A21 is minus now. A21 is minus. By deleting this and this, so we get 2305. 2305. This will be minus 10. That will be minus 10. Then A22. A22 is a plus now. A22 is obtained by deleting for second row and second column. So 1305. So this will be 5 itself. Then A23 is minus. A23 is minus. By deleting this and this, so we get 1200. 1200. This will be 0. Then A31 is plus now. A31 is plus. So this, by deleting this third row and first column, we get a 2324. This will be 2324. That is also plus. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then A32 is equal to minus of. A32 is minus. So minus of deleting this and this. So we get it is 1304. 1304 will be minus 4. Then A33 is equal to, it is a plus. So deleting 1202. So this will be 2. So this is about the adjoint. It will be minus 10. Then it will be 5, 0, 2, minus 4 and 2. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to the transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So transpose, now it is a first row that becomes first column. So 10, 0, 0. 10, 0, 0. Then minus 10, 5, 0. Minus 10, 5, 0. Minus 10, 5, 0. Minus 10, 5, 0. Then a 2 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 4, 2. So this is adjoint of a matrix. Therefore we have to calculate inverse. Therefore A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this will be determinant, we got it is 10. So 1 by 10 into adjoint is 10 minus 10, 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. So this will be equal to, we have to calculate 10 by 10 is 1. Next is minus 1. Next is 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 2, minus 2 by 5, minus 4 by 10 is minus 2 by 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 by 5. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 2, minus 2 by 5, 0, 0, 1 by 5. So first find out the cofactors, then adjoint, after that calculate what is the A inverse. So next one. Next problem, again to find the inverse of so what is that A is equal to 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha one 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. So find the inverse of this matrix now. So to find out the inverse, first we have to calculate what is the determinant. Determinant of A, I'll expand along row 1. So cos alpha into cos alpha minus cos square alpha, then sin alpha that is minus sin square alpha. Cos alpha and minus sin alpha and sin alpha is minus sin square alpha. So this will be minus of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is not equal to 0. Why it is minus 1? Cos square alpha sin square s is 1. So minus 1, that is not equal to 0. So determinant of A we have calculated. Next, after finding determinant of A, we have to calculate what is the adjoint of a matrix, given matrix. So what is adjoint of a matrix? To calculate, first calculate what is the cofactors. So cofactors A11 is equal to A11 is plus, by deleting, so we get cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha. So this will be equal to minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So minus can be taken outside and will be minus 1. So same as this one, determinant of A, because we expanded along first row. Next A12 is minus A12, this one A12. So 0 sin alpha 0 minus cos alpha. So this will be 0, that will be 0. Then A13, it will be plus now A13, by deleting this first row and third column. 0 cos alpha 0 sin alpha, that will be again 0. Then after that A21 is a minus of, by deleting second row and first column, 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha is again 0, that is again 0. Then A22 means plus, so A22 will be obtained by deleting second row and second column. So 1 0 0 minus cos alpha, 1 0 0 minus cos alpha. So A22 will be 1 0 0 minus cos alpha. So this will be minus cos alpha. Then A23 will be minus. A23 is minus, so this is minus means relate to this one and this one, so we get 1 0 0 1 0 0 sin alpha. This is a minus sin alpha, minus sin alpha. Then after that we have to calculate A31 is plus, so A31 by first row and third row and first column, so it is 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha, so this will be 0. So A32 is minus of A32 by deleting this one and this one, so 1 0 0 sin alpha, 1 0 0 sin alpha. This will be minus sin alpha. Then A33 is a plus now. It is 1 0 0 cos alpha, 1 0 0 cos alpha. This is equal to cos alpha. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to, is a matrix obtained by taking transpose. So this will be minus 1 0 0. First row becomes first column and minus 1 0 0. Then 0 minus cos alpha, 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha. Then 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha, 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. So we have calculated adjoint A. Then we have to calculate what is the value of inverse. We have to calculate. So inverse can be calculated. Determinant of A we got it is minus 1. So inverse is equal to determinant of A into adjoint of 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is 1 by minus 1 into adjoint of A. So what is adjoint of A? Minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, then 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. Then this will be equal to 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha, 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. So this will be the inverse of a given matrix. So this is one more kind of problem. After this there are many problems of same kind to find the inverse. So you do that as a homework. Exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. In that 4.5, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9 and 10. So this is the homework problem. You complete yourself. Okay. Next problem. Next is A and B will be given two matrix. You have to verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Let A is equal to a matrix of 2 by 2, 3725, 3725. B is a matrix. B is a matrix 6879, 6879. Verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. So how to prove this AB whole inverse, B inverse, A inverse? So first we have to calculate AB, product of A and B, then their inverse by finding the cofactors, then their inverse. After finding the inverse, we have to find determinant of first AB, then determinant of AB, then the inverse of AB, then B inverse of B, then inverse of A. That we have to calculate. So first we calculate what is AB. So A into B. Product we have to calculate. What is the product? 3725 into 6879. So we have to calculate what is the product. Product can be calculated. Product we have to calculate. So what is the product? This will be equal to 3 into 6 is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. 7 into 7 is 40. 18 plus 49. The next one is 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24, and 7 into 9 is 63. Is 24 plus 63. Next 2 into 6 is 12, plus 5 into 7 is 35. Then 2 into 8 is 16, and 2 into 8 is 16, plus 5 into 9 is 45. So this will be 18 plus 49 is 67. This is 67, and that 24 plus 63 is 87. Then this will be 12 plus 35 is 47, and this will be 61. So first one is 18 plus 49 is 67. This will be 87. Then it will be 47. Then 16 plus 45 is 61. So we have calculated product AB. Then after that we have to find out what is the determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is equal to 67 into 61. 67 into 61 minus 47 into 87. So this will be equal to 4087 minus 4089 is minus 2. Is minus 2. So we have calculated determinant of AB, then adjoint of AB. Adjoint of AB. So it is easy to calculate by interchanging the principal elements. So 61, 67, and changing the sign, minus 47, minus 87. So it is adjoint of A. Then their inverse we have to calculate. So AB whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. 1 by determinant of AB is 1 by minus 2 into determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is what is determinant of AB? Here, we have calculated what is AB whole inverse. This is the AB whole inverse by 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. So we got this is the answer. Next, after that, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate it, B inverse and A inverse. B inverse and A inverse. So to calculate B inverse, first we have to find out what is the value of. So first we calculate what is B inverse. For that, first calculate what is determinant of A. Determinant of A, we calculate what is determinant of A. Determinant of A will be 15 minus 14 is 1, and determinant of B will be, determinant of B will be, what is the value determinant of B is equal to 6 into 9, 54 minus 56 is minus 2. Minus 2. So we got determinant of A and determinant of B. So both are not equal to 0. Therefore, we can calculate the inverse. Then we have to calculate the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, by interchanging that 5, 3, minus 2, minus 7, and adjoint of B is 9, 6, minus 8, minus 7. 9, 6, minus 8, minus 7. Adjoint of A, 5, minus 7, minus 2, 3, and adjoint of B, adjoint of B we have calculated. After that, what you have to do? We have to find out what is the B inverse, A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. So this will be equal to, determinant value will be 1, so that this is directly 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3, and here it will be B inverse is equal to 1 by minus 2 into adjoint of B is 9, minus 8, minus 7, and 6. So no, don't go to simplify, because otherwise it will be difficult to multiply. Now we have to multiply B inverse and A inverse. So while multiplying, you keep that as it is. So A inverse or B inverse into A inverse. So I'll keep minus 1 by 2 as it is outside. Then B inverse is 9. This is B inverse. 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6. And A inverse is 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. So now we have to multiply B inverse and A inverse. So what we get, 9 into 5 is 45, minus 8 into, we can write this is equal to minus half into 9 into 5 is 45, then plus 16, minus into plus 2, minus 8 into minus 2, then 9 into 7 is minus 56, then minus 24, then minus 7 into 5, minus 7 into 5 is minus 35, minus 35, then minus 35, after that this minus 7 into 5 is minus 35, then after that 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, then minus 7 into minus 7 is 49, 49 plus 3 is 45 plus 16, then minus 63, nine into first row and first column, then first row and second column, first row and second column, this 9 into 7 is 63. Minus 63 and minus 8 into 3 is minus 24. Then minus 35. Minus 7 into 5 is minus 35. Then 6 into my minus 12. Minus 7 into minus 7 is 49. Then 6 into 3 is 18. So we get now, this will be 18. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 45 plus 16 is 61, and here it is minus 23, minus 63, minus 24, minus 83, 87. Then minus 35, minus 45, minus 47. Then 49 plus 18 is a 15, 50, 60, 67. 61 minus 87, for minus 47 and 67. So this will be equal to minus 61 by 2, minus 87 by 2, minus 47 by 2, 67 by 2. So what we have verified, therefore we can write the conclusion. Therefore AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay. So this is the one more type of problem. So you have one more problem of same kind, that is in example. So verify yourself, do yourself. So what is that? Example 25. Homework is example 25. Example 25. So this is one more homework. Next one. Next question. If A is equal to 1 matrix, if A is equal to, if A is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2, then show that A square minus 5A plus 7I, A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. Hence find A inverse. So first we have to calculate what is A square minus 5A plus 7I. So same this one we have calculated to show it is equal to 0. But here using that we have to find out what is the A inverse. So first find out A square. So A square is equal to A into A. So this will be equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2. So this will be equal to 9 minus 1, first row first column, 9 minus 1, first row second column, 3 plus 2, then second row first column, minus 3 minus 2, then second row second column, minus 1 plus 4. So this will be equal to, we get 8 6 minus 5 3. So this is the value of A square, 8 6 not 8 5 minus 5 and 3. Now we have to calculate, we have to show that is equal to 0. So A square minus 5A plus 7i, this is equal to, we have to calculate this is equal to 0 means we have to consider that. So a square 8 5 minus 5 3, then minus 5 into a 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7 into I 1 0 0 1 plus 7 into I. So this will be equal to 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 15 5 minus 5 10 plus 7 0 0 7. So what we get after all these? 8 plus 7 is 15 minus 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, minus 5 plus 5 is 0, then 3 plus 10, that is equal to 0. So we got that is equal to 0 0 0 0, that is equal to 0. Now we got this is equal to 0, therefore find the value of A inverse, therefore find the value of A inverse. So how to find the value of A inverse? Now by using that we have to find it, not directly finding by determinant and A inverse. What we have to do is by using the calculated value, we have to simplify what is A inverse. So we have the result, we have that A square minus 5A plus 7i equal to 0. So by using that we have to find out what is the value of A inverse. So what I'll write is A square minus 5A is equal to minus 7i. I'll write it is minus 7i. So after that I will multiply by A inverse both the sides. So post multiplying by A inverse, by post multiplying A inverse both the sides, post multiplying by A inverse on both sides, on both sides. So what we get here, A square, post multiplying means we have to multiply that is to both into A inverse minus 5A into A inverse minus 7i into A inverse. So already we know that A square can be written as A into A. So one more, we know that matrix multiplication is associative. So 1A I'll write along with it A inverse minus 5 into A inverse is equal to minus 7 I into A inverse is A inverse. Is A inverse. Therefore, here A into A inverse is I. A into I minus 5i is equal to minus 7 A inverse, minus 7 A inverse. So this is again A minus 5i is equal to minus 7 into A inverse. Now we have to calculate what is A inverse. So A inverse is equal to, A inverse can be written as minus 1 by 7 into minus 1 by 7 into A minus 5i. A minus 5i. So this is equal to minus 1 by 7 into A. What is A? A is a given matrix. So what is the given matrix? Given matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 5 into I means 5 into 1 0 0 1. So that will be 5 0 0 5. So this will be minus 1 by 7 into, it's a subtraction, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 2, 1 minus 1 minus 3. So inverse is equal to 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. So that is the inverse, 2 by 7, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. So likewise also we can calculate how to find the inverse, we can calculate how to or how we can calculate the inverse. Here what we have to do is, by using the given equation, first you multiply, post multiply, so multiply to each term, so we are getting identity element, then you will get what is A inverse. So A inverse is this value divided by this, so we are getting what is the inverse of the matrix. So same kind of problem is there in the example 26. Example 26. So you complete this example 26. This is the same kind of problem to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix by from the given equation. Thank you.